Hello everyone. So we did some of our journal for the cookbook journal. I finished filling it in. It isn't completely done for sure. I have lots more to add into it. So I decided today I was going to start working on our Pridelands journal, and this is what I've gotten so far. I only cut the bottoms or the tops of each of the pages, but otherwise each page is basically, I folded. It was perfect in width, just not in height. So that was definitely a fun little thing to do. Now I'm going to be putting them pages together after I glue something in here. Now I've been thinking about this, how I was going to go about doing it. I'm thinking I have this lovely napkin here. And I was thinking maybe taking bits of this napkin and Mod Podging it on. I don't know if I'm going to Mod Podge it or what yet, but that was my thought process with this. And earlier today I watched a video on whatchamacallit, how to make faux rice paper, so that's kind of caught my mind with what I want to do. This normally works. There we go. I don't mind if this is ripped. Not a big deal. As long as we can get the top layer off here. Yay. So I'm planning on in the next couple weeks doing that too. I'm trying to make you a part of every step of this as much as I can. I mean, there is going to be some things that are off screen, but I'm definitely trying to make every step a part of this process. You being a part of it instead of not. So I just thought this zebra print would be beautiful. A part of this. So if we just glue our zebra print over top of this, again, it just gives it an added look inside it. That is just a scratch. Alright, I'm gonna go get the Mod Podge quick. If I can remember where I put it. Okay, so I don't remember where I put my Mod Podge. But I do know where this is. And I think I have something else we can use easily, which is regular old school glue. So sometimes when you don't have all what you need, you can come up with your own. School glue. And I have a little bit of water. So when I don't have Mod Podge, I come up with my own plan. I'm just adding white glue to water. And you just mix it in together. And that's the last of that glue. But I have a whole new bottle, so it really isn't as big of a deal as it may seem. Again, when I don't have Mod Podge, I just create my own mixture. Need to add a little bit more glue. So again, this is how I do it. You don't have to do it the same way I am. I'm just doing a water watering white glue mixture is all you need to have the same effects as I don't mind it being all crinkled or anything else like that. It's just, again, a way of doing this to make it stick. onto the book. And we're just, again, this is just creating more dimension to the journal. That's all I'm trying to do. I didn't want everybody seeing that brown stuff. We wanted them seeing it nice and pretty. So again, there's a nice Mod Podge mixture for us, and it'll dry like this. So then I'm just going to do my regular 3-hole pamphlet stitch with the rest of this onto the journal, which will be, I guess, the next video of this. I wanted to show you how you can change just that inside cover. If you don't like the brown, you can Mod Podge napkin. You can go off and glue on lace. You can do whatever you want to do if you want to cover that. I wanted that covered. It was looking a little blah to me. So I hope you enjoyed this nice little video of how to hide that seam here that you may not like before adding in your signature. Enjoy the rest of your day or night. Bye.